Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in your niche and audience so every post serves a clear purpose. Once done, switch to a professional account, creator, or business to get insights and contact tools. Next, optimize your bio. Write one concise value line, add a contact button, and one clear call to action. While you do this, add a high-contrast profile photo and a consistent username. These initial steps let you measure growth, appear credible, and prepare for content planning immediately. You build a repeatable content machine by defining 3 post types: Reels for reach, carousels for value, stories for engagement. Once that's set, create caption and visual templates so you can replicate style quickly and prepare a hashtag set of 10 to 15 targeted tags to mix per post. Then batch produce. Film multiple reels, design several carousels, and schedule stories in one session. This decreases friction and keeps your feed consistent, which helps the algorithm favor regular, high-quality activity. You publish on a regular schedule, for example, 3 posts per week with daily stories, and check 7-day insights to spot trends. Make sure to engage, reply to comments, answer DMs, and proactively comment on 20 relevant accounts daily to build visibility. If reach or engagement falls, test a new opening hook for Reels, swap your hashtag mix, and vary content length. Sometimes small changes restore momentum. Finally, keep one backup version of top-performing posts so you can /B replicate what works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.